top-of-the-line durability against harsh road conditions. Let's take a closer look. First, the back. In terms of practicality, our LLV has plenty of space for packages big and small. In fact, enough room that you can hot swap cargo on the fly if the truck needs to be reallocated to another part of town, and even converted to provide first aid support in the event of a local emergency. To make the new LLVs more drivable than their predecessors, all-terrain truck tires will provide versatility in all kinds of road conditions. Both affordable and long-lasting, the need for chaining tires during winter weather will be a thing of the past. We've added LEDs around the body. This serves two purposes. First, it will help direct traffic around the delivery truck, and it'll make things safer by making the truck more visible during harsh weather. Packages can now be accessed from both the back and side with a sliding door that allows the driver to exit the vehicle safely from either direction. The current
Versatility. Versatility. Versatility.